Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your deactivated Uber driver account. If your Uber driver account was deactivated less than 30 days ago, the process is very simple. All you need to do is open a web browser on your phone or computer. Then go to the Uber login page. Enter your email address and password linked to your Uber driver account. Once you log in successfully, your account will automatically become active again. You should be able to start driving right away. But if more than 30 days have passed since your account was deactivated, you'll need to contact Uber support to request reactivation. Let me guide you through the steps to do that. First, open your web browser. Go to Google. In the search bar, type Uber Customer Service and press Enter. From the search results, look for the link to the official Uber Help website. It's usually the first result on the page. Click on that link. Once the Uber Help page opens, you will see options for both riders and drivers. Since you are trying to reactivate a driver account, click on the driver section. Now look for a topic related to login problems or account access. You want to find something that says, "I can't sign into my account," or "My account is deactivated." Click on that option. A form will appear asking for your details. In the form, enter your full name, your phone number that is linked to your Uber driver account, and your email address. In the message box, explain your situation. Write something like this: "My driver account has been deactivated for more than 30 days and I can no longer sign in. I would like to request a reactivation. Please let me know if I need to provide any documents or take any action." Make sure all the information is correct. Then submit the form. Now you will need to wait. Uber support usually replies by email or through your Uber app. This can take a few days. They may ask you to verify your identity or update your documents. Follow all instructions carefully. Once everything is confirmed and approved, your Uber driver account will be reactivated. You'll be able to log in again and start driving. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.